Welcome. Today we are going for, you make a note first somewhere, I sections. I sections. Now, some important note you have to write. I section is a very popular section in steel structures and also in pre-stress concrete. And of course, in strength of materials, when you go for academic questions, I section for bending stress or shear stresses or deflection of beams or for columns, it is very, very popular. So, correctly understand how to locate centroid for I section. I section means actually, see, what is I section means? See, this is I. Actually, thickness will be there. See, from a distance, it looks like I. Now, there are two types of I sections. One, perfectly symmetrical about both the axes. It is popularly called as symmetrical I section. One more I section, symmetrical about one axis, but other axis unsymmetrical, not symmetrical. Technically called asymmetrical, but I use the word unsymmetrical. I feel unsymmetrical is better than asymmetrical. Okay. And understanding purpose, one more type, completely unsymmetrical. About both axes, there is no axis of symmetry, neither xx nor yy. When you start the solution, we'll start from random I section. See, this is only to give correct idea for you. Later on, such type of section will never come. I know, structurally it will not come. But if you understand all these correctly now, it will give a good foundation for you to understand the concepts. So, and academic point of view, such sections can be given. So, look, question number 13, I think last time 12 correct? I think 12 correct. Locate centroid, all MMs. By chance, if last question is 13 only, you write that 13A, make 13B one extra question. You should change it. Locate centroid, all dimensions in millimeter. This I will keep on tell. Now, from today onwards, I decided not to waste time unnecessary writing. Let us divide the, see, I will tell you one by one. I will tell something now. You should write every question. Given lamina is here. See, sometime when I write in the board, slight tilting is there. Don't worry about that one. See here, see, slight tilting is there. Given lamina. Okay. Class. Divide into three parts. 1, 2, 3. See, how we will divide? We will divide like this. Don't divide like this here. 1, 2, 3. Top first. You can take any one, any two. So when I put this sketch in future, it means let us divide the given lamina into, see the number here, 2 or 3 or 4, whatever is there. Here you are right, into 3 parts as shown in figure. Okay, then immediately you are right. Consider reference axis OX, OY for locating centroid. How? See, this is actually little, it will come little this side actually, slightly out of scale on measure. Okay, now correct. Little this side, okay. Now, for locating centroidal axis, I will take most popular bottommost corner. See, O. From here, you write here. This is your X. This is your Y. Okay, 3. Go that side. Disturbing me. 3. Okay. Now I can show X here. See, this is your X. This is your Y. Write this way. Okay. Once this is over, write statement. We have, let G be the centroid. Every class I can't tell. This what I am telling, every class you have to write if you are serious. Let capital G be centroid for the entire lamina. For the complete lamina, let capital G be the centroid. Then let X bar, see, X bar be distance of centroid from OY axis. I told you, X distance is from Y axis, OY axis to right side. See, right side, because how X goes, same way X bar goes. And let Y bar be distance of centroid from OX axis. Here X bar is to right side, Y bar is upward. Then write, we have X bar equal to A1, X1, here how many 3 are there? A1, X1, A2, X2, A3, X3 divided by total area, which is A1 plus A2 plus A3, Y bar equal to A1, Y1, A2, Y2, A3, Y3 divided by total area, already told A1 plus A2 plus A3. After writing all the statement, draw a neat sketch. See, slightly turned here. Some people are there who will comment. This person does not know How to draw a straight line? Okay, comments. Once. Okay, write it here. Now see, correctly dimensions you require. See, this rect, somewhat the scale you have to maintain. This is 400. Why? Given in the question. See, I will explain every term now. You practice thoroughly, actually high school mathematics. This is 400. Okay, done. Thickness is 20. I wrote here. Thickness 20. Then full depth, outermost to bottommost, topmost to bottommost is 500. See, I wrote here. Full depth 500. See, this is separate now. See, this side solution. Okay, one thing, this 500 I shift this side. Someone will tell there is a 500 here and one more 500 there also. This is small sketch. See, this is 500. Okay. Given in the, put this way, separate. Okay. Now, full 500. Then, width of bottom. See, this bottom is 350. Up to where? Oh, slightly this side. I don't know why it happened. Slight shifted here. This is 350. Up to here. See, 350. This is dotted line. Now, this thickness is 12. Right here, 12. This depth of web required. This is web. Total 500. Subtract 18. Subtract 20. You should write. You will get 462. Rounded means calculated value. Remember, I told you rounded means calculated value. Because total 500, subtract 20, subtract 18, you get it. By chance, if they give 500 here, then write 500 here, then total depth will become 500 plus 20 plus 18. That I will give for next question. Okay. So that also I told you. Now further. Now we require x and y both dispersion of area. See, we want measurement along x and y both. So, see, it looks like this is smaller, this is bigger. How? They told this offset is 225. See, from here to here, offset is 225. This thickness is 12. So, this offset equal to 400 minus 225 minus 12. That's how you got 163. See, suppose these two are equal offsets, then 400 minus 12 divided by 2. That is when you go for next section, not now, later. Now, right now, it is 163. Okay, then this offset you require. How? See, total is 350. See here, total 350. From 350, subtract 100 and also subtract 12. So, from 350, subtract 112. You will get this offset 238. This offset is 163. This is 238. So, this point will come much left side or further left side. See here. Now, from here, this is the edge. See, your YY is at the edge here. But there's a gap here. I want that gap. So, once you get 238 here and 163 here, from 238, subtract 163, get 75. Then, this side. See, this is the extreme edge. Okay. But here, after the edge here, this is only 100. I want this extra distance up to extreme edge, this edge. This is 225, 225 given as given, minus 100. Oh, 100 is not, 100 is given. I should not round off 100 because why? 100 is given dimension. What you do? From 225, subtract 100, you will get from here up to this extreme edge, 125. This is high school mathematics. So don't feel bad if I tell high school mathematics. So that's why when I tell high school level mathematics, you should not depend on me. You should practice. Okay, over. Neat sketch over. Now I am not wasting time. Part number a mm square, x from OY, see, x this way, y this way. I will not waste time from next class onwards. I may put only table. I will not mention it. There is a limit for writing in the class. Okay, start. A1, anyone one. 400 into 20, 8,000. A2, 12 into 462. Answer is there. 350 into 18. Answer is there. Total area, you should write total area equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. I wrote, there is no space to write here. Write total area, all in millimeter square. Okay, then x distance, see, from here, CG is here, G1, see, because midpoint. This is 225, this is midpoint. So, x1 equal to 75. First from here, you have to come here. 75, then from here to this point is half of 400. 75 plus half of 400 will give 275. You can write, or, see here, one more option. From 475, see, from here, from 475, subtract half of 400. You write there, from 475, subtract half of 400, you will get same answer. Or you write, when you write the question, you put a big table, in the bracket you write there, or, okay, then x2. See, this is 238, here, this centroid, 75 plus 163. Actually, somebody will be laughing. 75 plus 163, visible here 238, don't waste time. So, directly 238, then from here to here, plus midpoint, half of 12, 244. Or you can do one thing, from 475, subtract 225, and also subtract half of 12. Same answer will come. This one, x3. Oh, this is a rectangle, 350 from here directly 350 by 2. 350 by 2. Or somebody will be laughing. 475 minus 125 minus half of 350. Someone will tell why directly visible here. Okay. X over y distances from bottom. First one, see, for this centroid, 18 plus 462 plus half of 20. 18 plus 462 plus half of 20. Or you can do one thing. From total 500, subtract half of 20. You write there. That also will do. y2, 18 plus half of 462 over. y3 for this one, directly half of 18. Okay, over. Now you write. Now I am not showing calculation. I got better works to do than wasting time here. If someone will tell me directly wrote x bar, y bar without showing calculation, means leave my class. Don't depend on me. I am not fit for teaching for you. You are an extraordinary person who want every day everything to be told. There's a limit. So after so much of it, I am uploading the classes in order. See, I am not uploading a random class. Sometimes you can see people randomly one chapter they will upload. Then next day some other chapter without links all. But I am uploading systematically in order. So you study in order and get it. I won't tell every time now. Those people who feel this is, I am sometimes not, don't write the statement or he's not writing, he's just solving a problem briefly, means you don't depend on me. You learn somewhere else. Okay. Calculate x bar, y bar. Okay. How means, I will tell in the offline class, if someone tells, sir, how sir means, others will look at him and tell, hey, keep quiet. Sir will get angry. We already done it 50, 60 times. You are asking how? He was absent for classes, that's why. Okay. Now, lastly, therefore, centroid G will be as shown below. See, very neat sketch required. See, whatever sketch given, very rough sketch, dimension not required, but outermost dimension required. This extreme end to this extreme, this extreme end to this extreme end, 475, full height 500. Okay, start. From this here, our x bar came 234.592. See, 234.592 means, see here, this is 350. Oh, it is lesser. From here to here is 238. 238, but it is 234.592. So, slightly earlier, see, somewhere here. See, little this side, how much is not required. This is one reference axis. Later will be called YY axis. Okay, then Y bar 269.964. 18, this is 462. 18 plus half of 462 is 249. You can see here 249. You got 269. So it will be center of this member. See, if you see the center of this member, slightly above center, 269.964. Okay, over. Now, this is the centroid G. Now, somebody will ask, no, I want from that extreme corner. See, somebody will tell, I want from this extreme corner. Okay, no problem. From 475, subtract 234.592 and get 269. What is this one? I noted down there. 240.408. I already calculated it. 408. I am rounding off. You should write. Rounded means calculated. Or somebody will ask you, from the topmost fiber I want. Okay. It is total 500. Subtract 269 point something. It will be, how much I wrote it? 236.036. I will check the board once actually. Okay. This is calculated, not given. Calculated. Now centroid is fully defined. This is solution number 1. So this is our solution. Okay, now 1 minute. Okay, just I check the camera only. Now do one thing. Question is completely over. Now, actually every class I can't do it. Once everything is over, you make a note here. After the question is over, make a note. For locating centroid, we considered bottommost edge and left extreme corner. O. Now, only for understanding purpose, someone will tell never ending this one. Let us consider origin here. See, let us consider only, next question I am not doing it. After 1 or 2 questions, go here. And we will take x this way and y this way. This is to get to see, by doing all these, you are gaining more and more knowledge. Okay, start. Then 1, 2, 3 will remain same. Now, this will go. See, but this line is there. See, the extreme edge line is there. Color will vanish. What color? Green will vanish now. Okay. Now we will take this origin. O. And we will take x this side. See. X this side, and we will take, see, I forgot here, this x bar last time, this x bar is, this is not there, is to right side, y bar is upward. Okay, last time I forgot. See, now, O, this is your x, see, this is your green color to be maintained, to understand. This is x. This is your y. Okay. Then these dimensions all will remain same, no change. Start. A1, A2, A3 will remain same, but x1, x2, x3 will change. Change it. You should do once again, not rub this way. See correctly now. x1, x2, x3. Area will remain same, x1. See here. Figure number 1 is here. This is 400 from here. See, last time it was 75 plus half of 4. Now directly from here to here is 400 by 2. Very easy. It is 400 by 2. 400 by 2 equal to 200. Figure 2 is 225 plus half of 12. 225 plus half of 12. There is 225 plus 230, 231. 231. Millimeter only, understood. Figure number 3, see, centroid is here. First from here, 125 up to here. 125 up to there. After that one, from here to center of rectangle is 350 by 2. 350 by 2. That is 350 by 2 is 175. 175 plus 125 is 300, correct? I think no, 175. I think 300 most probably. Yes, it is 300. Okay. Then y distance. See from here. Figure number 1. From here, top, now top. From here to here is 20 by 2. 20 by 2. From figure number 2, from here to centroid here is 20 plus this is 462, midpoint 20 plus 462 by 2. 20 plus 462 by 2. This I have to calculate. Where is it? Here. 20 plus 462 divided by 2 is, calculator is not on, 20 plus 462 divided by 2, 251. 251. And last one is this centroid. See, 20 plus 462, 20 plus 462 plus another 20 plus 462 plus another half of 18. Half of 18. Or you can do one thing. From 500, subtract half of 18. That is 491, 9 less. 491, that's all. Substituting, get x bar, y bar. Okay, now, actually what I will do usually is, see, if it is a structural analysis question solved by SD method and I want answer by MD method, I will put this way. Why? I have got so much confidence in me that answer by SD method will repeat. And again, equally, I have confidence that what I solved by SD is perfectly correct because there are some internal checks are there for me. But here there is no check, all number. By chance, if I made a mistake in numerical, I can find now. So therefore, this time I will calculate. Okay, 8000 into 200 plus 5544 into 231 plus 6300 into 300 divided by 19844. 240.408. 240. Yes, correct. See here, 240.408. But this time your x bar is to left side. Remember, it is left side. From right hand, left side, 240 point. I really got it. No cheating. 408 millimeter. And y bar. See, no cheating. In front of you, I am doing. Why should I teach? Actually, I am teaching. I am not cheating. Why should I cheat instead of teaching? 8000 into 10. Someone will tell. Everywhere he wrote answer. See, comment. One place he wrote 20 by 2. He does not know how to calculate 20 by 2. People are there. See, commenting people does not know how to calculate 20 by 2. Yes, people are there. Sometimes I get very angry also by seeing such comments. One comment came, I told, but okay, ignore. I decided where I am, where he is, therefore better ignore. But one fine day I want to meet personally and discuss about the structural knowledge, if possible, into 251 plus 6300 into 491. A calculator, 491. Please give divided by area 19844. Please give me the required answer. How much? 236.036. Hey, something else comes. 1 minute. Calculation wrong. 8000 into 10 plus 5544 into 251 plus 6300 into 491 divided by 19844. 230.036. I got 230.036 here. 230.036 millimeter. How it is to left side. Okay. Now, therefore, centroid will be, see now important, this will go. Now our origin is here. See, this is origin O. We took x this way and we took y this way. This is our y. Therefore, x bar is from that side. This is your x bar. See, this is your x bar. X bar equal to how much you got? 240.408. 408 millimeter. Then from 475, subtract it, you will get 234.592 from this side. And now, this is your y bar. Y bar, from top y bar, 230.036 y bar calculated. Then from 500, subtract it, you get other distance. So centroid will remain same. Question 1 over. Today I took classes for a very long time. So I first thought today I will finish 2 eye sections which are irregularly placed. then systematically unsymmetrical I section, structural point of view, and symmetrical I section. But then I am finding little tired because non-stop classes. So I will take up one more question now. Same I section where I will tell you it later what. Some little change will be there. I will solve that question and wind up today's class. We'll start question number 14. Once again same, little change I am making. See here. 160, 24, 10. This is 300. 160, 125. This is 60. Now observe correctly. See here 160 given. This is 10. These two offsets are not given. You write here. You make a note, something you write in the class. For the top flange, the offset beyond web on right side and left side are not given. So it is understood that both of them are equal. Therefore, the offset of the upper flange to right of the web and to left of the web either side is 160 minus 10. That is how much? 150 divided by 2, 75, 75. So suddenly it looks like symmetrical now. See, it's about this axis, it is symmetrical now at present. But unfortunately, right here, this is 125. See, again same thing. If the offset of the bottom flange on either side, you write, suppose this 60 is missing, you write there. You take a rough sheet and write, if the 60 is missing, then 125 here, this is 10, 125 minus 10 is 115, 115 means each will be 115 by 2, that is 57.5 each. Then this will be perfectly symmetrical about YY. So X bar is not required, you require only Y bar. That is next class question, important question. But unfortunately, they told 60 here. Some student will curse him. Sir, what is this, sir? 60, sir. See, this is 125, this is 60, this is 10. So from 125, if you subtract 60 and 10, this offset will come 55. See here, right here. Left offset is 55. Oh, this will completely spoil the symmetry. See, this side 55, that side 60, this way. So the person deliberately gave the question that way. Therefore, centroid will not be exactly this way midpoint. See, X bar will not come 80. If it is symmetrical section, X bar is half of 160, 80. It will come slightly more than 80 because why? Little more area is this side. So, see, midpoint of this 160 is 80. But since a little more area is this side, X bar will come slightly more than 80. See there, 80.566 millimeter. Therefore, this offset, right, equal offset on the upper flange side given is of no use for us. It would have been very, very useful if they did not give this offset and they told both are equal. Then YY will come to exactly midway. That is symmetry will come. That is next class. Okay, start now. I explained 75, explained 75, explained 55. See, this is 75. So this offset is 20 and extreme end of that one, see, 20, 55, 10, 60, or what I am doing, 20 plus 125. 125 plus 20 is 145. So this is 160. This offset here is 15. See, 15, 20, 15, 20. If both are equal, it will come 50, how much? 57.5, 57.5. Both of this would have come 160 minus 125 divided by 2. Anyway, why should we discuss what would have come? They are equal. They are not equal. They leave it. That will worry for next question. Start. I will take part number 1. I rubbed it. Actually, I wrote it. Okay. Part number 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, start. We will take bottom extreme corner O, X this way, Y this way. Usual statement you write. Let consider reference axis OX and OY through bottom left extreme corner. You not required as shown in figure. X to right side, Y to upward. Write everything and prepare a neat sketch. Mark O here. X goes this way now. X goes this way, Y goes this way. Start. A1. 160. One more thing. See, this time, this depth of web is 300. So overall depth is 300 plus 24 plus 16 is 340. Be careful. Okay, now A1, 160 by 24. A2, 10 by 300. A3, 125 by 16. Okay, very crystal clear. Total area will come. X1, centroid is here. Directly from here to here is 160 by 2 equal to 80. G2, see here, 75 plus half of 10 or equal to, what is this one? This is, no, or you can do one thing. Into 20 plus 55 plus half of 10. I wrote that way. But actually, somebody will be laughing. Why you want unnecessary complication? You write 75 plus 10 by 2. 75 plus 10 by 2. Once again 80. Or you can make a note. This point is the midpoint of this one. This is mid. Both are at the same level. So here your x1 and x2 will be equal. 80 only. Make a note. Okay. x3. See here. This centroid. See. This is 125 up here. Up to here. Okay. Up to here is 125. Now, center is 62.5. See, 55 plus 10 is 65. Half of 125 is 62.5. So from here, slightly left side. Okay. See here, 20. See, correctly here. 20. Then from here, see, 20 plus half of 125. 82.5. See, 2.5 shifted that side. Okay. Y distances from bottom edge. First one, 16 plus 300 plus half of 24. Or you can do one thing. From 340, subtract half of 24. You write there. Y2, 16 plus half of 300. It is there. Y3, half of 16. Calculate x bar, calculate y bar. X bar is to right side, y bar is upward. You got the answer. Okay, then lastly, centroid G will be C now. Correctly. X bar 80.566. See now, correctly or see here. See, from here to center of this web is 80. 80.556. So, from center of web, slightly, very, very minutely to right side. See, slight shifting from center of web, minutely to right side. Okay. And reference axis here, see. Here, see, this gap is there. Here also one gap is there. Okay. There is a small gap. Sketch. Okay. Okay, therefore, from here, this is the origin O. Origin O. This is your Y. This is your X. X bar is right side. From here to here is X bar equal to 80.556. If you want from this right extreme end, from 160 subtract 80.556, you will get 79. I noted down 434. Round off, calculated. Y bar 200. See here, 16 plus center of web is another 300 by 150. 150 plus 16 is, or here answer is 166. Y bar you got 200, so it will be slightly above the center of the web, somewhere here. This is your centroid G, and then this distance out of scale, this is your Y bar equal to 200.7 624 millimeter. I think I have gone out of camera by chance. 64. All dimensions are in, see, all dimensions in millimeter. You're right. 1 minute. Check the camera. Hope it is within the camera only. Still, I don't want to take chances. No. Very much within the camera. Yes, no problem. Then, if you want from top edge, from this side, this will be from 340, subtract the distance, you will get the answer. 139.376. Remember, calculated value. Solution is over. This question also, for understanding, for see, these are all alternative solution. I am not doing for my benefit. I am not learning anything. By taking continuous classes, I feel physical strain. There is no mental strain for me. I will never get any extra information. But still, this all I am doing for your sake. Okay, now, write class. Same way we will solve once again. You write here, alternate solution. Cancel. Okay, now we will take one. Come this side. Hey, 1. Why are you disturbing me? See, 1. Okay, 1. Now we will take top right extreme corner. See, this point we will take O, only for understanding purpose. So now your x is to left side and y is down. Down. Now right here. One more neat sketch. This all will remain same. Distance will not change just because you are not divided anything. Okay. Now see, this is your origin. O. Your x is to this side. This way is your x. This way is your y. Okay, sufficient. Now start. Prepare a table. Now x is to left side. X is to left side. Actually, I will tell you one more thing now. People who want to comment. Last time also, when I made alternate solution, that y was not up, y was down. I forgot to change it. I saw afterwards that up. See, first time I solved y up. Second, last question. Alternately, I told y down. But unfortunately, I did not observe it. You go back and change it. Last time question, second solution, you take y down. Like this solution. Somebody will comment. He is taking y up there and writing down here. If the person is in front of me, I will tell get out. If it is a classroom, if anybody talks that way, I will tell out. You are trying to, I forgot to mark it. I am also human being. When I change everything, sometime I may forget. But I told very clearly, see, I marked y here. Okay, start. Area remains same, x distance. From here to center, once again, 160 by 2, no change. 160 by 2. 160 by 2. Next. Second one, 75 plus 10 by 2. Oh, once again 80. But last one will change. Last will be 15, see here, 15 plus 125 by 2. 15 plus 125 by 2 will be 77.5. Okay. Correct? 77, correct. 77.5. Same way. Y distance will change completely. See. Start. From top. For figure 1, directly half of 24. 24 by 2 equal to 12. Figure 2, 24 plus half of 300. If I explain further, some student will walk out. They will tell, sir, we are not primary school students. Such as after explaining so many concepts, if you explain all this, first of all, already I am explaining much beyond the limit. 174. See, basic calculation I can do only in my mother tongue, that is the Kannada language. English I cannot add. See, when you want 24 plus 300 by 2, I will do Kannada. If you know Kannada, you don't know. 24, 150, 150, 174. Okay. Because that's how I studied earlier. Y3. This is 3. Okay, Y3. Sorry, I forgot to change. G1, G2, one small mistake last time. I first took this as figure number 1. Then I decided not to change it. So last time forgotten, make it G3. See, correction. Once I put 3 here, this is G3. Such things, actually what happened is, when I did second question, I thought, first question I took what? 1, 2, 3. This time, let me do 1, 2, 3 this way. But there, I forgot it. So, see, I changed this one, forgot to change this one. Once I put this figure number 3, if I wrote G1, you write G3. Adu helbeka. Oh, sorry, that also I have to tell. 16 by 2. 16 by 2. Huh? Figure number 3 is... no, from top you are doing, not 16 by 2. From top, 24 plus 300, 24 plus 300 plus 16 by 2. 16, 8, 24, 32, 153, 182, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 300, 8, 24, 32, 332. Okay. Now calculate x bar. See, x bar is to left side and y bar is down. Last time, see, I am told by mistake I first took 1, 2, 3 here, marked G1. Then I decided to go for same fraction. Suddenly forgot to change this G1 to G3. Change it. Now x bar will come. This time I am not calculating. I got confidence in me. 79.434. Y bar will come 139.376. Okay. Now, lastly, start centroid. From here is x bar. See, now you are this is your R3. Oh, see, last time I had changed it. Otherwise, there are people who will comment. People are there, you don't know. People who have no other business than trying to find fault. Even if inside the brain nothing is there. This is y. Okay. This is x bar. I should use harsh words. X bar equal to 79.434. 434. From 160, subtract it, you will get 80.556 if you want. Same way, this is your y bar now. See, this is your y bar calculation from top. How much? 139. From here, from overall 340, subtract, you will get this distance. Okay. Question is over. I first thought in today's class only, let me do I section. See, most important is I section, unsymmetrical this way. Of course, see, these are equal, these are equal. That is, then y symmetry is there. Only x you require, means you require only y bar. One more is perfectly symmetrical I section. Then both are equal flanges, nothing required, x, y. This all I will keep for next class because feeling little tired today. See, when I am tired, what will happen is this writing problem will come. That all. Anyway, already I taken more than half an hour, I think. Okay. Now go through this question. Such questions, I sections are rare to see, but it will give you pakka concept. I am again telling, by chance if I forgot to change something which is from the previous question, if something up down has not changed, when I explain, I am explaining, you should change it. You should not try to find a fault like those people who have nothing else to do, simply without knowing anything, they want to comment. Okay, thank you.